Santa. You are a bitch nigga. Wait, hold up. Dear Santa, you are a bitch ass nigga. I heard the mall is hiring extra security to protect you. That's a bitch move, Santa. I'm coming for that ass again until you pay what you owe. Sincerely yours.
Yeah, Sambuca.
Alright, that's fine.
How much is Sambuca? C'est tu type. Ouais, ça Sambuca.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Your body, we want the place. We here. Fuck bitches.
Get money. Come on, nigga. Gotta go get it. Ain't no days off, man.
There's no shame in my game. There's no shame in mine. I found a new program. I found a new program. I found a new program. I found a new program.
Consistent. And we're standing on anything we say. Today's just another day of forgetting it, man. Let me know how y'all feeling. You know what I'm saying? How y'all start your days. I want to hear about that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it together.
Face, on face.
What y'all thinking about? Check some. Oh, probably these ones.
Already type jogging, you know. I don't hate these ones. I want straight cut. Something like this.
Straight cut. On a mission, man.
I'm just trying to give you something spooky out to forget. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky out to forget. I'm just trying to give you something.
One hell of a day. Imagine holding down a whole. Imagine there's something to do, right? And there's a whole team supposed to be there, like, you know what I'm saying? Help out and do this shit together. Well, sometimes you gotta step up and do the shit alone, by yourself, and still make sure everything is going straight. You know what I'm saying? So, just to let y'all know, y'all can step up and make sure you just do things right, do things your way. You know what I'm saying? And just make sure everything is right. But with that being said, we got it done. The day's not finished, so we're getting it done. And yeah, that's about it. Get y'all in a bit. So. How was football, my guy?
It was blessed.
Okay. I want to see you scoring TDs, man. Come on, man.
Running back touchdown.
Come on, man. I want to see you killing it. Ooh, look at him. So. No, for real, though. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing. Gotta use all the skills you've been learning. And you gotta make those skills 100%. Become elite at those skills. You know? Right now, you're just good. And then you'll be outstanding. But you want to be elite. You see what I'm saying? Elite.
See how I can rank him on the first game. After the first game, I rank you. Either you're a trash player.
Yeah.
Use the I player.
All right.
No,
Okay.
I is like average.
Yeah.
Use a good player. Or use a fucking all-star.
Or use an all-star.
I want no average good player.
Nah.
I want all-star shit.
I don't want no in-betweens, man. Alright? Alright. I can't even hear you, man. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get it.
Vas-y. C'est defense.